Okay, so what you're looking at here is a Hampton Bay Gazebo Plus. Um, I got this off of OfferUp today, and I decided to hang it up immediately because why not? So this is from February of 2006, so it's a bit later than I was expecting it to be, but that's okay. I actually really like these fans a lot because 5 years ago, well, almost 5 years ago, before the Littleton was ever installed in my brother's room, I actually saw one of these new in box on eBay, and I showed it to my parents, and they said no. So yeah, ever since then I couldn't find one. Up until today. So something really interesting about this fan, or at least what I find interesting, is that this is actually outdoor rated. So if you look on top of the motor housing, it's there's actually no vents, and also the blades are actually made out of plastic and not, wood. And it's and it has these really interesting plugins. I actually didn't notice this until recently, but they're actually in the shape of lighthouses. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And a couple things that I like about this are the pretzel brackets and the sort of Panama vents on the bottom. I think they're pretty interesting. Now you might notice that I'm actually not using my work light like I've been using for the last two testing videos, and that is because for those who follow me on Instagram, then you'll probably know that I actually recently added a second fan spot. As you can see, I put my Sandstone Huntington 2 up there because why not? Hi, so I'm going to stop the video real quick. So something that I should have mentioned was that as of recording this, today is February 20th, so the day that I got the Gazebo Plus. I'm actually going to be adding a third spot in the future, and when I do add it, I'm going to be putting the gazebo in that spot. So yeah, by the time you're seeing this, the third spot will have already been added. So yeah. Anyway, back to the video. Anyway, before I turn this fan on, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Okay, now time to demonstrate it. Here's the light. Works perfectly fine, like it should. And now we'll start it on low. Oh, and another thing is that when I got this fan, it actually came with the original light bulbs as well. Hold on, let me go grab one. Okay, so here's what the bulbs look like. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, time to turn it to medium. Oh, and you might notice that I actually have it flush mounted. I didn't want to put a down on it because, well, for one, I've actually wanted to see if I could try and install this flush mounted, and well, it worked. Okay, and now time for high. And it wobbles not too bad. And these are actually pretty decent air movers. Yeah, a lot of people consider these to be one of the better Hampton Bay fans, and well, I absolutely agree with that. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Gazebo Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.